All right, you guys, so we're gonna be heading back on over to TikTok to check out some more DIYs and react to them. So we got the standard rope planter here. Oh, I like how they added white at the bottom. How to paint a sofa. So is this like a thing now? Because I've actually noticed a lot of people painting their sofas. And I'm not sure how I feel about this. If you want to change the fabric, you can always do like a sofa cover. Wow, that actually turned out pretty good though. Okay, that one came out like way better than the previous one I saw. Because I saw one that was pink and I was like, woo. I don't know if you guys saw that video, but wow. Ooh, I like how she styled the bathroom. This looks so nice. And we got someone doing an aesthetic fridge. Now, I like this trend, and I'm not gonna lie, I've tried it. And it looks good and it works for like about a good week, but it's really hard to maintain when you have a messy family. Ooh, I'm feeling the vibe. Okay. How I turned 2 of these chairs into these chairs. Whoa. Okay, let's take a look. So she bought these at Facebook Marketplace. Remove the seat padding, backrest. Okay, so when you do something like this, you have to have the vision, like, oh yeah, this is what I'm gonna do to that. Can't just jump into it. I actually like this color brown that she used. I think it's really pretty, nice and modern. Acrylic paneling. Oh, wow. Oh, that looks so cool. I really like the acrylic paneling. I think that looks the best because it looks like it's like floating. IKEA nightstand. So basically she's just adding gold. Oh, this is an easy furniture flip. I can do this one. I love this wallpaper and the green. That's pretty. So we got a mirror DIY. Basically adding rope to the mirror. Doing like the macrame. Okay. Oh, she did a diamond shape. That was cute. Okay, then we have another IKEA hack. Wow. You know what? I need to go to IKEA and get some furniture stuff because this is just crazy. The way people are turning and upgrading these IKEA items, it's just unreal to me. So this person is adding cement to the bathroom wall. They probably should have removed the light fixture. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh, let me be quiet because this looks amazing. Oh, someone redoing their bathroom. Build stud frame. It looks like they redid their attic. Wow, that is so cool. Alright, someone's styling their coffee area. Alright, we got another furniture flip here. This one is like, woo, this Chair is hideous. I do not like that fabric. And apparently neither did this person. Oh, wow. This looks like a princess chair or a king or queen chair. Oh no. They added more like floral print. I don't like this. You know what? This would look really good in black. The gold with the black or gold and white. That would look so cool. It still has, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't dislike the fabric, but I just picture them doing something else. I mean, it obviously looks better than it did, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that one. So it looks like someone is doing a mirror design here. Oh, budget-friendly creations. Check her out. She has a lot of really, like, glam decor. I think she has a YouTube channel, too. Oh, that is so pretty. And then we have some macrame palm leaves. My brain had to process what I wanted to say. This is really cute. Now we see a lot of the paper palm leaves, but I like the fact that they did like this macrame technique with it. I don't know how I like it mixed with the pampas grass though. We got another IKEA furniture flip. Wow. Wow, this looks amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY projects with me. Don't forget to give this video a like before you head on out. And if you want to see even more DIY project ideas and reactions, you can check out this video next.